Shri Gurubhyo Namaha. Let us recap what we learnt in the previous class. Characteristic features of animals. Movement. Animals and birds move in search of food and shelter. Environment. Some animals live in their natural environment. Some animals make their own homes and live in it. Food habits. Depending upon the food they eat, animals are classified as herbivores, carnivores, and omnivores. Communication. Animals communicate with each other by making different sounds. For example, birds chirp, lions roar. Insects. Insects are animals that have 6 legs. Then we learnt about warm-blooded and cold-blooded animals. Today we are going to learn about the characteristic features of human beings. Movements of human beings. Human beings have 2 hands and 2 legs. They walk in an upright position. Some of the movements of human beings: walking, running, climbing, jumping. Shelter. Human beings live in the homes they build. Different types of houses: apartment, boat house, bungalow, caravan, hut house, igloo house, log house, stilt house. Food habits. Human beings eat both plants and animals. Human beings who eat plant and plant products are called vegetarians. Human beings who eat plant and animal products are called non-vegetarians. Communication. Human beings speak many languages. There are 22 major languages in India. Human beings can communicate their feelings to others easily through speech. Human beings have many ways of communication. In the olden days, pigeons were used for communication, then letters were used, and now we have emails, SMS, phone calls, and MMS. Communication aids for special people. Special people are those people who are not able to see, hear, or speak. Braille is a language for people who are not able to see. Sign language is a means of communication for those people who are not able to speak and hear. Warm-blooded animals. Human beings are warm-blooded animals. They protect themselves with different types of clothes. People wear woolen clothes during winter to keep them warm. Mittens, coat, sweater, earmuffs, etc. Clothes worn during summer: t-shirt, tank top, overalls, bikini, straw hat, shorts, etc. Reproduction. Human beings reproduce by giving birth to young ones. Homework for today. Write 3 characteristic features of human beings. Let us recall what we have learned today. Movements. Human beings have two hands and two legs. Shelter. Human beings live in the homes they build. Human beings eat both plants and animals. Communication. Human beings speak many languages. Human beings have many ways of communication. Communication aids for special people. Braille and sign language. Human beings are warm-blooded animals. Human beings wear woolen clothes during winter. Human beings wear cotton clothes during summer. Reproduction. Human beings reproduce by giving birth to young ones. Children, next is an observation video. Thank you. See you again. Hope you enjoyed the video. Thank you. See you in the next class.